Thank you for your order. Whether you have a HP, MacBook, Dell, or other commonly used laptop, as long as the size is 12 inches to 18 inches, it can be perfectly adapted to this product. Please watch the video in full before installation. This product set includes a plastic packaging box, 128 silicone kits, an instruction manual, 3 sheets of nano-dot glue, a large soft film, and 3 small strip films. Note: this product contains small parts. Please do not let infants and young children touch it to prevent suffocation. Step 1. Before using the product, wipe the area around the laptop keyboard with an alcohol cotton pad or wet paper towel to remove dust and dirt. Then wipe it dry with a dry cloth or paper towel. Step 2. Take out the small film strip. Tear off the white backing paper. Select a suitable position on the left and right sides of the laptop keyboard, and stick the small film strip next to the keyboard. Press it with your hands for 1 to 2 seconds to make it stick firmly. Step 3. Take out the large soft film and unfold it on the desktop. Grab the edge of the film with both hands. Align it with the keyboard and place it on the keyboard. Smooth it from the middle to both sides with both hands and gently press on the small film strip. Tips: it is recommended to cover the laptop screen to flatten the large soft film for the next step of installation. The flattening time is about 24 hours. Step 4. Take out the self-adhesive silicone kit. Align it with the position of the keyboard key characters. Stick it on the large soft film and gently press for 2 to 3 seconds to stick it firmly. Please enjoy the finished product display. When you finish your computer work, just gently lift up the edge of the soft film to easily remove the keyboard pad from the computer. When you are ready to start working on your computer, just gently cover the soft film on the computer keyboard and align it with the corresponding characters. Then press the positions on both sides of the keyboard where the small strips of film are attached, so that the soft film can better adhere to the keyboard. Now you can start typing easily.